strong.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing great and welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm gonna show you how to install any electronic accessory without doing any wire cutting. In the recent LED strip video that I uploaded, one of the viewer asked me for a closer snapshot of the wiring setup that I did. And I actually didn't use any wire cutting in it. And when it comes to installation of any accessory, the wire cutting is the last thing in my mind. Because it's always good to keep your actual car wiring intact. And then if you want to remove the accessory or replace it with something else, then it actually takes off all the hard work, and then you don't have to remove the tape and then put the joint again. So let's go to the tail light of my car, where I'll remove the current wire setup and replug it to show you guys how easy and clean it gets if you use this method. And I'm sure it will give you more confidence in installing the accessories yourself in any part of the car without actually damaging your stock wires, and also not running into any warranty issues. So let's check it out. So our main motive is to connect the wire from any of our external accessory into the wire over here with the power. So in our case, it's gonna be the yellow wire. But because I don't want any cutting, what I do is I try to insert it into this small groove over here. So what I have to see is that on which side of the groove is my yellow wire plugged in. So in this case, it's on my left side. So what I'll do is I'll try to insert this wire into the left side of the plug and then try to make its way into this small groove over here. So this is approximately equal to the length of this plug, and it is applicable to all the plug sizes. So you have to remove the plastic coating till the length of your plug. And then the second thing is, make sure that the wire is nicely twisted. There are no loose ends towards the tip. So as you can see, it's nicely twisted at the tip. So here we have to be a bit precise. So watch me very, very carefully. Okay, so now you can see my wire is nicely into this groove. So if we look at it from the top level, my wire is coming from left side of this plug and going into this groove on the left side, and this side corresponds to the wire in which there is power. So always don't connect anything to the ground wire. So make sure your wire is always going to the one which is giving you the power. So never connect anything to the ground wire. So even if I pull this out, now it's steady and strong. Now very gently just insert the plug back into the groove. So now this is safe and tight, and you don't have to worry about any wire cutting. So very neat and clean, and you don't have to worry about messing up with the wires. And also it helps if you want to claim the warranty, because you're not doing any wire cutting over here. So it's the testing time now. Let's see if we have correctly plugged in the indicator wire. Okay, so that's a victory over here. You saw how easy and effective this method is, and I'm pretty sure the next time you want to install any electronic accessory, you'll do it with more confidence and will follow this method to avoid any wire cutting. So I hope you all loved the video, and I also hope that this will surely make your life easy when you want to do your next electronic mod. Let me know your thoughts in comments, and please keep up the support. Happy driving and peace out.